It's not just for cops anymore. A tiny body cam helps you record everything. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Dutch design agency Slim Design has manufactured a tiny camera to turn your shirt into a security device. Simple and smaller than a cigarette lighter, the PhoneCam comes with a built-in HD 30 frames per second wide-angle camera, a microphone, and a 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi module inside. You can wear the phone camera in a prominent place on the front of your shirt or blouse. Now, with one press of the PhoneCam's single button, an LED light on the camera will immediately begin blinking white to alert anyone in view of the camera that it's about to begin recording. The idea is that potential assailants will see that whatever they're planning to do is about to be recorded. With one more press of the button, the camera's recording function will start. Video is automatically transmitted to a cloud-based server and recorded for possible use in court or by police. If you set it up in advance, an emergency contact will also be notified of the danger, which will allow the contact person to see your location on a map. More crazy cool tech at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? You can sign up for free.